our main motto is to inspire people and bring everyone together to work for a cause, because it's everyone's social responsibility to work for the people who are not able to care themselves. There are crores of people in India who need our support and love. Everyone has to give back to the society, and it's everyone's responsibility. We're just giving back whatever we can. So if everyone can come together, and if we think that it's our responsibility, we need to do for the society, then I'm pretty sure that there will be no orphans and there will be no hunger in the entire country. So it's everyone's responsibility. Let's join hands together and let's do our best to the country.